Sausage spoon baked beans. Here we go. I love this box of beans. We gotta decide which ones we're gonna do today. Yes, we are. There's gonna be 4 different videos, so we can taste test each one of these babies, and I'll let you know. Maybe. I'll let you know. There we go. That's my pick for tonight. This is the first of 4 videos. The new Saucy Spoon Baked Beans Applewood Smoked Bacon. Everything's better with bacon and our signature spice blend. Alright, we got sausage going today. And this video is all about Saucy Spoon Baked Beans in Texas. I'm understanding you can only get them at HEB. Gotta love HEB. I appreciate y'all sending me that awesome box. Let's cook these up and do a taste test. I tell you right now, I see that bacon floating on top. Yeah, pretty cool flavor. Go in my handy dandy pot. In she goes. Alright, just like that. It's a handmade spoon from Brenda over at AOK Foraging and Outdoors. Beautiful, beautiful spoon. I really appreciate it, buddy. Let's go get it on the Z grills. It's as simple as that, folks. Next we'll stir it up a couple times, and then we're gonna do a taste test of it. Alright, Saucy Spoon Baked Beans Applewood Smoked Bacon. I forgot I could use their fancy spoon here. See that goodness? Piping hot, baby. Oh, it's got a blend in there. Here, let's shut. Yeah, you can see the chunks of bacon in there. Got that applewood smell to it. Get you some of that, man. It's piping hot. There's bacon in it. These are good. These beans, yeah, they're really good. These beans would make Duke speechless. Really good. Saucy Spoon Baked Beans, Applewood Smoked Bacon, Papa approved. Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. There's 3 more I gotta try. Check those out. I'll leave a link to them at the end when they get posted. See ya. They're good.